In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp, making your workflow seamless and efficient. Many of us rely on spreadsheets to manage data, but integrating them into ClickUp can streamline your productivity even further. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can import your Excel documents with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to ClickUp. Once you're logged into your ClickUp account, you'll see your workspace name on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on this. Your workspace is essentially the hub of all your activities, projects, and folders, so it's the best starting point for any task you want to perform. Next, find the Settings option. By diving into the settings, you not only gain access to personalized controls, but also to customization features that make ClickUp such a powerful tool. Look for the Imports/Export section, which will be your gateway for integrating files. Click on that, and you'll begin the import process. Within the Imports/Exports menu, you will see an option labeled Spreadsheet. Click on Spreadsheet. This area is specifically designed to handle the importation of files like Excel, making the transition of data smooth and reliable. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a location for your spreadsheet. Click on the Select Location option. This step is pivotal. Deciding where your Excel data will live within ClickUp impacts how you'll interact with it. Whether it's a project, task, or custom location, choose an area that best suits your organizational needs. After selecting your location, click on Location. This confirms where the data will reside, keeping everything neatly arranged. Organization is key, especially in platforms as comprehensive as ClickUp. With your location confirmed, the next step is to click on Continue. This initiates the next phase of your import journey. By now, all preliminary steps are completed, and you're just inches away from seeing your data come to life in ClickUp. Finally, it's time to bring in your Excel file. Click on Upload File. You'll be asked to choose the specific Excel document you want to import. Once selected, the system begins processing the file, translating it into a format suitable for ClickUp. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now part of your ClickUp workspace. This imported data can now be manipulated using ClickUp's robust features, making it easier to manage tasks, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity. These steps can empower you, helping streamline your data management processes within ClickUp. Remember, a little patience and organization at the start can lead to a much more effective workflow in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of your ClickUp experience.